if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my. Hi lovelies, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, kindly make sure you subscribe, and if you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for always stopping by. So kindly come with me to Eastleigh for house decor and curtains and wallpaper shopping. Then later on we are gonna install the wallpaper with me as well.
That's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night inning. There ain't no point in resisting.
So this mall we are buying the wallpapers and house decor is called the Moonlight Mall. It's directly opposite where Matzataus Yusimama, like the last stop. And the wallpapers were going for 700 shillings. So we bought two, and it was time to check for some other things. House decor, of course. Let's see what they have in store.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch
So we got home and it was time to install the wallpaper, and we started off by scrubbing the wall to remove the dirt. Then we mixed the paste, this is the glue, that is, this is what I'm doing here, and you must unakoroga kabisa, you make sure it's kinda thick, sticky. So I'll do that for a few minutes, then I'll let it kinda stay kando as we cut the wallpaper. So this is how thick it should be. That's what I'm showing here. Inafaa ikuwe kinda sticky like mucus, inaachana kidogo, iachane like immediately. So yeah, that's the texture of it. Yeah, that's how it's supposed to look.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room.
So here we've already cut the wallpaper. I'm applying the paste or the glue on the back of the wallpaper, which I will also apply on the wall evenly. So let's see how this goes.
Fatal like a gun, shooter's gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I fall. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
They say it takes a village to raise a kid. For us, this wallpaper took a village to install, and that's my mom scrubbing the wall. And this is our first roll, okay, not really roll, our first and second cut. We installed, that's how it looks like. So we are continuing with the process. You continue the process of applying glue on the back of the wallpaper, then you apply on the wall as well after scrubbing, that is. And finally, this is the outcome. I like the outcome. How do you guys think? How does it look?
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never.
Wall 1 done. This is wall 2. So you repeat the process of scrubbing the wall to remove dirt, but if you already have paint on, you just scrub kidogo. For us, we had not applied paint, so we scrubbed more of it, and within no time wall 2 was done. This is how it looks like. I like the outcome. For wall 2, we decided to do the poker cards wallpaper. By the way, it brightened the house so much. I'll be doing most of my videos here on TikTok, that is, and maybe sometimes YouTube. I like this wallpaper so much. Thank you so much for always stopping by to watch my videos. Give this video a very fat thumbs up. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.